Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Mount Rainier local and long-distance movers near me. You are all set to start your cross-country road trip or take a flight abroad for your big move. But packing tons of boxes, heavy lifting, and finding a truck to use is crushing your happy vibes. Don't worry, our moving crew at 3 men and a truck is there to make your moving process stress-free. Our movers are aware of the assignment. We will handle everything from providing packaging material to transporting your things without causing any damage. Your time is valuable to us. Expect our movers to arrive on time and start your moving procedure right away. Your local move into Mount Rainier City might lull you into assuming that your relocating can be quick and easy. Sadly, you're in a false awakening. A simple local move can be as difficult as any long-distance move. You still have to pack and move your things to a new location. Our moving team is an expert in local moves. In just one day, your stuff will be packed and moved out, and your furniture will be all reassembled at your new place. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Mount Rainier moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.